So my name is Roja. I am a faculty in Faith School English Medium School, and I am a teacher here. Today I am going to teach a topic about comprehension passages. How to deal the comprehension. First, comprehension. A comprehension exercise consists of a passage upon which questions are set to understand the ability of students. So here the exercise consists of a passage to understand the questions, and the students has to look up the hints. Here are the few hints. Read the passage to get general idea. First read the passage to get the general idea and read again slowly to know the details. Now study the questions to turn a relevant portion of a passage, and they may ask sometimes the meanings of the words or phrases. So now we are going to read the passage. In 1905, Wright has perfected the first airplane that could turn circles. So the Wright brothers are accurately called the father of the aviation. The inventions of the airplane was no expectation, and people were excited. So now after reading the passage, you have to check what the questions are based on. Now the questions are based upon the inventions of the airplane. So we go to the questions. When did the first successful flight take place? So we can see that the answer is, so again read out the question, when did the first successful flight take place? Here in 1905, the answer we can find out easily, that in 1905 Wright have perfected the first airplane. So this is the answer. Now next, coming to the second question, the Wright were known as, what is the Wright brothers known as? They were known as, here we can see the question, the invention of the airplane was no expectations, and now we can see this here he was called the father of aviation. Here is the answer. The Wright brothers are accurately called the father of aviation. Here is the second answer. Now, how did the people react on hearing about the flying craft? So, how did the people fear? So, here coming to the third para, the invention of the airplane was no expectations, and people were excited. How did they feel? Here is about the airplane is excited. The answer is excited. Now coming to the fourth question, what is the similar word for excited? Excited same meaning word is happiness or anxiousness. So we can say about here is a word that is a similar word of excited, means to know about the things we can write, or feeling anxiety. Anxiety, it comes to the answer. Now this is about the topic of comprehension. Thank you all. Shuram.